Hello, this is Evan, and today I would actually like to show you a video of my cruise ship models because I bet a lot of you have been requesting that I make a video of my cruise ship models, so indeed I will. So the first one we have here is the Oasis of the Seas. It is the first cruise I ever went on, speaking of which, I've only been on one cruise, so I don't think I've ever been on any other cruise. I've just been on one. This is the Oasis of the Seas model. Actually, a lot like the little ship. The next one we have is the Carnival Breeze. Once again, I have never been on this ship. And this is actually a lot lively to the real ship as well. Then we have a Skew Queen Mary 2 cruise ship model. We have a Skew Main Scarf 3 cruise ship model. Skew 80 Luna model. Which, by the way, everybody, I will be making a Revell 80 Stella model. Just stay tuned for that one, because that video should be posted in a couple of weeks. So I just like to let you guys know that one. We have a My Cruise Vacation playset Costa Serenity cruise ship model. By the way, the Costa Serenity and the Emerald of the Seas are actually my custom cruise ship names, so don't think of anything else like that. There's the Costa. Then we have Custom Emerald of the Seas, also custom name, not a real ship. Royal Caribbean is World Cruise Line now. And then we have just a pullback cruise ship. Doesn't really do anything, just like that. Well, thank you all for watching, and I will see you all later. Bye!